Hello, curious minds. Are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of multivariate statistics? Well, buckle up, because in just a few minutes I'll help you grasp the basics and see why these statistics are crucial in our data-driven world. First off, what are multivariate statistics? Simply put, they are techniques used to analyze data that involves more than one variable at a time. Imagine trying to understand the relationship between your study habits, the number of hours you sleep, and your exam scores. Multivariate statistics help us analyze all these variables together to provide meaningful insights. Now, why should you care? In almost every field, from business and technology to healthcare and social sciences, professionals use these statistics to make informed decisions. Whether it's predicting stock market trends or understanding consumer behavior, multivariate analysis stands as a pillar of modern analysis. Let's break down some common techniques. First, we have multiple regression. It helps in predicting a single outcome based on multiple predictors. For example, a real estate company might use multiple regression to predict house prices based on location, size, and age of the property. Next up, factor analysis, often used in psychology to identify underlying variables or factors that explain a pattern of correlations within a set of observed variables. Think about a psychologist trying to determine personality traits that explain behavior patterns in individuals. Then there's cluster analysis, a technique used to group a set of objects in such a way that objects in the same group are more similar to each other than to those in other groups. It's like sorting your music playlist into different moods or genres. And how can you start applying these techniques? Well, the journey begins with a solid foundation in basic statistics and a good grip on software tools like R or Python that are used for statistical analysis. Online courses, textbooks, and tutorial videos can be great resources to kickstart your learning. Remember, the key to mastering multivariate statistics is practice. The more you play with data sets and try out different analysis techniques, the more proficient you'll become. And don't worry if it seems complex at first. Every expert was once a beginner. So keep curious, keep learning, and who knows? Maybe you'll be the one to discover something groundbreaking with your new statistical skills. Thanks for watching, and dive into those numbers.